chances in the forecast. It's pretty exciting. We haven't seen that in a long time. And you know, it's okay. F1 is over, ACL is over, Texas OU is over.
Yeah,
Let's
and
have the
Texas
rain.
is not here this weekend.
right.
So yeah, everything's playing according to plan, and we're going to break that dry streak.
Let's do it.
44 days and counting. However, Friday night into Saturday morning, I'm so confident. I'm thinking a 90 to 100% chance that we see rain, and there is even the possibility that we see heavy rain. It's all because of this disturbance that you can see out on the west coast. It is going to be pulling toward the Four Corners region by about Thursday, and then Friday into Saturday, pivoting right through the Lone Star State. This, combined with the Pacific cold front and Gulf moisture, will all mean better rain chances. And get this, I'm forecasting a high on Saturday of 79 degrees. Then Sunday, we're back to sunshine and 80s as this system moves away. And then heading into Tuesday, another front which might bring a stray shower. Won't be as potent in terms of precipitation. Behind Tuesday's front, the coolest air of the season so far is possible. Let's talk about the rainfall. Friday, we are already under a level 1 of 4 risk of maybe enough rain to cause some minor flooding. It's an isolated chance, but something that I want to make sure you have on your radar. Then on Saturday, especially in the morning and then heading east, also a level 1 risk. Everything should be clearing, and it does look heaviest overnight Friday night and into early Saturday. And that's basically the extent of our rain chances. But get this, some locations, especially in our eastern areas, might see in excess of 1 to 2 to even 3 inches of rain. I'm going to show you 2 different computer models. They're not exactly in agreement, but you get the idea. This one's giving 3.1 inches to Austin. This one gives about 3/4 of an inch to Austin. Either way, things are looking good for us to not only break that dry streak, but also see some beneficial rain. And keep in mind the possibility of some minor flooding. Here's a look at where the rain could be around 7 p.m. on Friday. And then it pivots across our area Friday into Saturday. By Saturday evening, everything is moving out, which paves the way for a dry and beautiful Sunday ahead. So that's where things stand right now. Things may change in terms of timing by a couple of hours or amounts of rain, but I'm very confident we are finally going to see that dry streak end. The record 65 days, we won't get there. It's 77 now. We made it to a high temperature earlier of 89. Tomorrow, not quite as hot. We'll go around 86 to 87 degrees for an afternoon high temperature with a lot of sunshine around. And first thing in the morning, it'll be crisp and cool. One day in the 90s on Thursday, then we bring in that heavy rain risk and cooler air by Saturday. Bumping back up ahead of the next front by Monday, close to 90 before Tuesday's front, which could pave the way for a cool and pleasant Halloween.